everyone, Tom here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest shakeup in the AI world and how it's sending shockwaves through the markets. So China's Deepseek version 3 was just released. It's making headlines for outperforming OpenAI's ChatGPT, their paid version, all while being developed on the fraction of a budget. Let's break it down and let's see who's winning, who's losing, and what this means for the future of AI. All right, let's talk about Deepseek. This is an open source AI model developed in China, reportedly outperforming ChatGPT. And get this, it was built on $6 million. Compare that to the billions spent by tech giants like Microsoft, Meta, and Google on their GPU hardware. And you can see why this is such a big deal. Deepseek V3 has already hit #1 in the App Store, surpassing ChatGPT in popularity. But while this is a win for AI innovation, it's causing some serious turbulence in the market. The Nasdaq closed down 3.5% on Monday, with Nvidia taking a massive 17% hit. Nvidia alone accounted for more than half the day's market decline and hit a price that it hasn't seen since early October. Why? Because DeepSeek's V3 success is making investors rethink the future of AI hardware spending. If high-performance AI is no longer needed, then guess what? Billions of dollars in GPU investments could see a significant drop in demand. Now, it's not just Nvidia. OpenAI, well, they got a private valuation that's also under pressure. They might need to cut costs just to stay competitive in this landscape. Now, let's dig deeper into why the market's selling off. The big fear here is that AI hardware spending could plummet. So companies like Meta, which recently announced 60 to 65 billion in capital expenditures, mostly for AI, might now achieve the same results for a fraction of that cost. Now, that sparked a broader tech sell-off with investors just dumping across the board, but we saw a couple companies rebound later in the day because smart investors know that cheaper AI could be greater for the long run. Let's talk about the long run for a moment and long-term implications. Cheaper AI could actually drive more adoption, thanks to something called Jevons paradox. This economic principle states that when something becomes cheaper and more efficient, people use it more. Think about it. Fuel-efficient cars, well, that led to people driving more. Energy-efficient homes resulted in bigger TVs and more devices. The same thing could happen with AI. As costs drop, usage is going to skyrocket, expanding the total market for AI applications. So, who are the winners in this new AI landscape? Well, Meta's a clear beneficiary. They use AI to enhance their ad business, so cheaper AI boosts their margins. Amazon, well, it also stands to gain as cheaper AI improves logistics and robotics, driving operational efficiency. But the biggest winner I see right now is a stock that doesn't even have a horse in the game. In fact, it's considered a value among tech. And with potentially falling prices on AI tech, it adds more dollars to its bottom line. I'm talking about Apple. Now, Apple stock had a significant day and closed up 3% on Monday while most techs fell. Now, not only that, but they broke a significant downtrend line that was around $225. Now, looking at the options on Apple, for those of you that trade options, they're priced pretty high because Apple has earnings coming out later this week. So the best thing I can see right now is spreading your options, buying lower strike calls, selling higher strike calls. And what that does is that lowers your cost, it lowers your risk, and it lowers the break even as you get close to expiration. In summary, what does this mean for the future of AI in the markets? Well, it's clear that innovation is accelerating and cost efficiency is becoming a game changer. While some companies are feeling the pain today, the longer term outlook for AI adoption is brighter than ever. What do you think? Is Deepseek a flash in the pan or is a start of something new? Let me know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.